Welcome to Chetan classes. We are going to learn about matrices. In this video, we are going to learn definition of matrix and types of matrices. Matrices. First, we will see the definition. So, definition of matrices: an ordered set of mn numbers, that is elements, arranged in a rectangular array of m rows and n columns and enclosed by a pair of brackets, square bracket or round bracket, is called a matrix of order m cross n. For example, if I write in rectangular bracket 1, 2, 3, so it is a matrix. Another example, 4, 6, 7, 8. Next example, 1, 3, -1, 0, etc. Next, types of matrices. So, first type is rectangular matrices. Rectangular matrices. So, rectangular matrices means matrices with unequal number of rows and columns are called rectangular matrices. For example, A of order 2 cross 3, that is, we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In matrix, this is called row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. So 2 rows and 3 columns. So first this number indicates number of rows and second number indicates number of columns. Next, row matrix or row vector. So definition: a matrix with one row is called a row matrix or row vector. For example, A is equal to 1, -1, 0. So here 1 row and 3 columns. So this is the row matrix or row vector. Next type, column matrix or column vector. So definition, a matrix with one column is called a column matrix or column vector. For example, here write only one column, so that is A is equal to here 1, 2, 3. So only one column and number of rows is 3. So this order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. Next type is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Definition, a matrix obtained from a given matrix A by interchanging rows and columns is called transpose of a matrix. And it is denoted by A transpose like that or A dash. For example, if I write A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So order of this matrix is, we have 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 cross 3. So A transpose is row becomes column, that is this first row becomes first column. So first column is 1, 2, 3 and second column is 4, 5, 6. Now order of this A transpose is, we have 3 rows and 2 columns. Next type is square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns in a matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Another example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 rows, 3 columns, etc. Next type, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar if all diagonal elements are equal. It is denoted by capital K. For example, K is equal to 2, 0, 0, 2. Diagonal elements means these 2 is the diagonal elements and off diagonal, that is 0. So this is a scalar matrix. Next type, unit matrices or identity matrices. So I is equal to matrix Aij, where Ij is equal to 0 if I is not equal to j, and this one, that is I is equal to j. For example, suppose I of matrix 2 cross 2. So I is not equal to j. It means this is our first entry, I11. This is second entry, I21 and I22. Now I means these rows and this j means columns. So here I is equal to j. So this value is 1. Here I12 means I is not equal to j. So this entry is 0, I21 is 0 and I22 is 1. So this is the identity matrix of order 2. Similarly, identity matrix of order 3, we write 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, etc.